Hello, my most glamorous love bugs. Welcome back to my channel, Black all the way across. So what we're going to do is some really dark, moody Valentine's nails. It's almost upon us and I was feeling purple. So this black has kind of got a purple tinge to it. Not sure the camera's 100% picking that up, but trust me, there is a tiny bit of a purple tinge to this black. And so that inspired me. And I have some pretty purple chrome, and it's all in the same family. So I'm like, let's play. So that's what I did. It's such a fast video, such an easy look. Anyone can make this happen, and it will go so quick. Now, having that much glitter on your nails may prove problematic. Sugaring is like that sometimes, especially with glitter. So if you don't like that, this might not be for you. That is Saviland's chrome powder, and it's in violet. And the black that we're using is Gelixir. The number is 089, if I'm not mistaken. After a while, these things get stuck in your head. You know, if you use a product enough times, it's just in your head. You're like, oh, that will work perfect for this. So that's why we're going ahead and putting a top coat on here to protect this. But we are going to get one more little treatment on that. Now this fifth and final nail, which is the middle nail, is getting a matte top coat. That is the Gelixir matte top coat. And like I said in a video recently, not a fan, will not be buying it again. Actually, I don't really like their base top or matte top coat. I don't love them, especially once I wore them. So I'm going to move on to new brands. Right now, we're working with Venalisa. I'm going to go ahead and say the top coat, it's got a weird color to it. It's not crystal clear. It's called tempered top coat, so I assume maybe that has something to do with it. And it changes colors under blue light or UV light or black light. So that, I think that's all related. But we'll see. We're gonna use the bottle up because you know I always use up the bottle. And then we'll try something else. All top coat, base coat, matte top coat recommendations, please hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you're using, what you're loving. Let me know what you're hating too, because we can review some stuff on the channel. I'd really love to do that. And we're going to be doing more of that this year. There you go. Lots more reviews this year, I think. So I'm just cleaning up. We chromed that heart that I made while I was blabbering about top coat. Made a little heart. I did want to point out that the thing I used to make the two dots, that was not a dotting tool. That's the back end. Here you go. That's the back end of a brush. And it's perfect circle. So I don't have a dotting tool as big as I wanted for the hearts. And I find when you're filling in a heart, the easiest is to make two dots and work from there. So I just use the back of that brush because it works so well. If you have a brush with a flat back and it's a large circle, you're going to be able to make those circles. It's super easy. It does put down a lot of product though, so it's not like with a dotting tool where you're going to make those dots and then walk away and be okay with it, unless it's very self-leveling polish. Ta-da! There you go. So we're just chroming out those hearts. And then once I get all of the extra... Sorry, my words jumbled up inside my mouth. Once I get all the chrome cleaned off around that heart, then we're going to come in with some top coat and top coat the hearts so they stand up the tiniest bit. I'm not trying to make them super puffy, but also just so that you see the chrome. I could have done another matte top coat. It would have made them look a little velvety, but I wanted shiny hearts, so shiny hearts it is. But maybe we should do some velvety hearts before Valentine's Day gets here. So now on the other two nails that are fully chromed, we're going to go ahead and make some black hearts that excuse me, tickle in my throat. I woke up this morning with literally the worst allergies bothering me. That's what woke me up, the need to blow my nose. And now my throat is crazy. I'm in Las Vegas, so the rain yesterday, I think, churned some stuff up. So with this one, I'm making a black heart, and we're going to do the same thing on the other nail, and I'm going to sugar this. We're just going to go ahead and pour that glitter right on this black, and I know I could get some pushback on that, but, you know, come at me, I don't care. The reason you get inhibition layers generally is because oxygen is touching. And if you're sugaring something, there's no oxygen, so you shouldn't have a sticky layer. And I wanted it to match the black nails like it does. And I didn't think it would if it was top coat. So that's why I did it that way. Let me know what you think below. I really love this set. They are dark and moody and Valentines. This is the set that I had made for you for Tuesday, and that's why you didn't have a video. If you watched my shorts, you know what I'm talking about, so go back and watch that. Yeah, I just dropped that. But this is the set. Let me know what you think below. Would you wear these? They are pretty dark. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're going to see you in the next video. You have a wonderful day. Mwah. Bye-bye.